Hello everyone! I'm so glad you're here and ready to dive into the wonderful world of makeup with me. Today, we're tackling the classic winged eyeliner, your most requested tutorial, and honestly, one of the most transformative makeup tricks out there. It's that sharp, lifted line that instantly transforms your eyes, making them look bigger, brighter, and giving you a boost of confidence every time you wear it. Winged eyeliner is truly iconic. From the glamorous days of old Hollywood to today's red carpet looks and everyday styles. Whether you want a subtle flick for a natural vibe or a bold, dramatic wing for maximum impact, this look is for everyone, no matter your style or skill level. I struggled at first too, and trust me, it's normal to feel frustrated, but I'll show you how to master it step by step so you can feel confident every time. This is a no-judgment zone. Mistakes are part of the process. We're all learning together, and every smudge is just another step toward getting it right. We'll break it down into easy, manageable steps so you can follow along at your own pace and pause or rewind whenever you need. Remember, makeup is about having fun, experimenting, and expressing yourself. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Don't stress about perfection. Every attempt is progress, and every line you draw is a step closer to mastering your own unique look. So grab your favorite eyeliner, get comfortable, and let's get started together. We're about to unlock the secret to the perfect winged eyeliner. Let's talk tools. You don't need a lot, just the right ones. For beginners, a felt tip eyeliner pen is your best friend. It's easy to control and less messy. Use a mirror you can get close to, and sit somewhere comfortable with good lighting. Cotton swabs and micellar water are your magic erasers for quick fixes. Precision tip swabs help sharpen your wing, and micellar water cleans up mistakes without ruining your makeup. An angled brush and a bit of concealer can carve out and perfect your wing's edge. These simple tools make a huge difference. Keep it simple, and you'll learn faster. Gather your kit, and let's move on to prepping your lids. Ready? Let's go. Before eyeliner, prep your eyelids for a smooth, long-lasting finish. Oily lids can ruin your wing, so start with an eyeshadow primer to absorb oil and even out texture. No primer? Use a thin layer of concealer, then set it with translucent powder or matte eyeshadow. Blend primer or concealer from lash line to brow bone, then let it set. This step keeps your eyeliner sharp and smudge-free all day. A matte, smooth base is key for easy application. Take a minute to prep. Your future self will thank you. Now your lids are ready for action. Let's move on to drawing your first wing. Trust me, this prep makes all the difference. Time for the main event. Drawing your first wing. This is an exciting step in your makeup journey, and with a little practice, you'll master it in no time. Use the dot-to-dot method. Imagine a line from your lower lash line toward your brow, and place a dot where you want your wing to end. This dot will serve as a guide for the perfect angle. Draw a line from your outer corner to the dot. Use small, gentle strokes. This helps in maintaining control and achieving a smooth line. Next, connect the dot back to your upper lash line, forming a triangle. This triangle will be the base of your wing. Fill in the triangle with your liner. Make sure it's nice and opaque for a bold look. Now, draw a thin line along your upper lash line, connecting it to your wing. This will complete the look and make your eyes pop. Keep the line close to your lashes, thickening slightly as you reach the outer corner. This adds a bit of drama and definition. If you're nervous, use short stamping motions instead of one long swipe. This technique gives you more control and reduces the chance of mistakes. Breaking it down into steps makes it much less intimidating. Each small step builds up to the final look. You've just created your first wing. Take a moment to admire your work. Remember, it's about connecting dots and filling in shapes, not drawing a perfect line in one go. This method makes it easier to achieve symmetry. Practice makes perfect, and each attempt gets easier. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't worry if it's not identical on both sides. Eyeliner is an art, not a science. The more you try, the better you'll get. Each attempt is a step towards perfection. Take a breath, admire your work, and let's talk about keeping your hand steady. You're doing great. Confidence is key. Ready for the next tip? Let's keep going and perfect that winged liner. A steady hand is key for sharp wings. Always rest your elbow on a table for stability. Use your non-dominant hand to brace your drawing hand. Rest your pinky on your cheek for extra control. Take slow, deep breaths to relax your muscles. Draw your line in short, connected dashes instead of one long stroke. This connect the dots approach gives you more control and cleaner lines. With practice, these habits become second nature. Now, let's fix those little mistakes. Mistakes happen to everyone, no matter how much experience you have. It's totally normal to slip up while doing your makeup. The good news? Most errors are super easy to fix if you know a few quick tricks. For smudges or uneven lines, grab a damp precision cotton swab dipped in micellar water. Gently sweep it along the edge to clean up any mistakes, and you'll have a crisp line in seconds. No need to start over. If your wings aren't symmetrical, don't stress. Adjust the thinner one to match the thicker, or use your swab to slim down the bolder side. Take your time and check both eyes in the mirror for balance. For a wing that's gotten too thick, reach for an angled brush and a bit of concealer. Carefully carve and sharpen the edge, erasing any excess liner for a flawless, defined finish. Notice a gap between your liner and lashes. Tight line with a pencil on your upper waterline. This fills in the space, making your look seamless and your lashes appear fuller. Make small, gentle adjustments. There's no need to panic or wipe everything off. A calm approach helps you fix mistakes without making things worse. These quick fixes can save your look every single time, turning a potential disaster into a polished finish in just a few moments. Practice these tricks regularly, and you'll get faster and more confident at recovering from any eyeliner mishap. Remember, even professional makeup artists make mistakes sometimes. What matters is knowing how to fix them quickly and keep going. Let's finish strong with some final tips to help you master your eyeliner game and feel confident every time you pick up that pencil. The secret to mastering winged liner? Practice. Try it on a relaxed day. No pressure, just play. Experiment with different wing lengths, angles, and thicknesses to find your style. Add mascara to blend your lashes with the liner for a polished finish. For extra pop, dab a shimmery shadow in your inner corner. Celebrate your progress. Wings don't have to be twins. Sisters are just fine. Makeup is about creativity and confidence, not perfection. Keep practicing, have fun, and enjoy the process. You're well on your way to becoming a winged liner pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.